Hey, great day in the morning to you. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. Looking forward to seeing you later on in the week. Here's what you're going to do today. For science, it's going to be kind of a short lesson. You're going to watch the Introduction to Cells video by the awesome Mr. Sheeman, and then you're going to do the Introduction to Cells homework. Piece of cake. Shouldn't take too long. If you haven't yet, please share a picture of last week's experiment data in the media album. Remember when you did the freezing lab? And if you haven't done it, please do it. For math, there's going to be a lot of things in the math folder. In fact, I'm going to flip over to the math folder right now so you can take a look at it. So here I am clicking on math. New week, September 14th through 18th. Here's Monday. Okay, don't be overwhelmed by this, but there's a brain game, 4 quick questions, just kind of a warm-up. There's a comparing fractions review. It's like a tug-of-war game. Just give that a whirl. It's not timed. Just see if you can compare some of those fractions. Then there are 2 videos for the lesson. I want you to watch this one first. It's the introduction to mixed and improper fractions, and that's going to be, you'll hear my voice. I'm kind of showing you what you're going to learn about, but I think the lesson today will make a little bit more sense if you watch this one first. And then this one is actually a lesson done by Mr. Eliason again, and it'll look a little different when you open it up. In fact, I'm going to open it up, and it's going to say Edpuzzle on it. It's not really a puzzle. It is educational, I guess. And so when you do this, you're going to click on play, and it will be Mr. Eliason teaching the lesson. You're going to follow along in your workbook, and your workbook, I believe, is going to be on page 15, so you can have that ready. And a pencil and maybe some scratch paper, because they don't give you a whole lot of space here. But you're going to press play, and then every so often, he's going to stop and ask you a question. Usually it's a multiple choice question, and it's kind of over here on your screen. And before the video will play on, you have to answer the question. So just do the best you can and answer the question, and then the video will play. And so when I'm looking at it, I'm not really going to look at it to see, I don't expect you to get 100%. I expect you to get some wrong, but it'll give me an idea of the kinds of things that you're having trouble with, and then I can help you on it in the classroom, or maybe I can help you on it in tomorrow's video. So again, I'll be able to see if you watched that video or not. Now, so you've watched the introduction video, you've watched this video. There will be another video there that you will not see. That's for the kids in the class with me. Here's the exit ticket. Remember, the exit ticket is going to be your homework. And then if you're still stuck, if it's still really confusing to you, click on this mixed numbers and improper fractions video. I think it's probably 3 minutes long. Maybe that'll help you a little bit. So not very many of you have been sending me messages on Schoology. If you look up here, I can't get my screen that high, but I have no messages. Very sad. So I would really love to help you if you get stuck, if you're confused on what to do. Yeah, just give me a message, and if we need to, we can Zoom and I can help you out on things. I hope you have a great day. Good luck. See ya.